Well, here we are. Let's start from left to right. First, we have our sample input, which we use to put our signal in. Requires a 1/4-inch cable, and we can use a sample from a cassette, CD, turntable, microphone, and we put our input into here, and we check our level into our machine. Next, we have our mix out. Now, this gives us a mix out of everything. Whatever we have on any pad, we'll be able to hear through our mix out. Next to that, you can see here we have our channel outs. Now, these are very important. For example, going to a studio, you always want to separate your drums or all your samples on separate tracks. So it's good to have each sample come out of a separate output, or similar sound come out the same output. For example, a closed hi-hat and open hi-hat. Now we have here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 outs. And as you can see, the last two are unfiltered. That means whatever we sample and we let come out these two ports will be unfiltered. Next, now to the right of that we have our met click out, which is for our metronome. Very important to have a metronome. It'll give us a click, a count to how many beats per minute. So this way we can get our samples in line to the proper tempo. Next to that we have our SEMPTY out and our SEMPTY click in. We also have our run stop, step end, and tap auto rep. Now we also have, which is very important, which we're going to use for our hip hop production, is our MIDI in, MIDI out, and MIDI through jacks. These jacks are very important. We need to use these jacks when communicating with other MIDI devices. And we'll show you this later on. Now right above that, we have, of course, our fuse. We have our on-off button and the jack where we plug our power cable in so we can get busy. Well, guess what? It's time to get busy. We might as well get started and do what we're here for. Let's sample something.